You want some rock melon?
Right, Mummy will have this first with avocado, okay?
And why don't you eat that beautiful sandwich Mom's made you?
Hold that good.
Mom's enjoying her sandwich.
Mm-hmm.
I just got some fresh bread. What are you gonna eat next, Ems? You don't want some cheese?
That's cheese. Oh. Oh. Bacon.
It's a big one. Oh, a little bit of prosciutto, eh, Ems? You're just gonna stuff that all into your mouth? That's good, eh? You don't want the cucumber and the tomato too? Bit of bread? There's no way she could eat that sandwich. Rip it apart though, yeah? No, you found some cheese. Do you like that cheese? Yummy?
Macaroni.
Mummy will finish her sandwich first, okay?
Ems, that's a cantaloupe, not a rock melon.
That is a rock melon.
Ems, cantaloupe.
Kettle.
Exactly.
Chop it.
You want to chop it?
Chop a knife. Chop a knife. Chop a knife.
Chop with the knife?
Yeah. Macaroni.
You call it whatever you want. That's ham. Bonjour, ham.
Chop it. Chop it. Knife.
Okay.
Hello, Mommy.
Hello, baby. How are you?
Lazy.
Yeah. Did you have a nice sleep too?
Yeah.
Good.
Macaroni. Macaroni.
Alright, your mom will do it. Your mom will do it. Big knife.
Bacon. Bacon. Bacon.
Sharp. Emily, very sharp knife. Hello, little friend. Rock melon.
Get all the seeds out. Seeds out. And do this one too while we're here.
Macaroni.
Is rock melon your favourite?
Hands.
Just give her a little slice.
Cheese. Macaroni. Macaroni.
Oh, you don't have to cut it out. She'll eat it off.
Macaroni. 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 Macaroni.
Ems. Ems. I'm right above you. Ems, say hello.
Hello, Daddy. Cheese, Daddy.
You want some more cheese?
And she's saying,
Oh, cheese for the picture?
yeah.
Oh, you got your rock mallet, eh? Big one. That looks like a nice meal. Your mommy looks after you, that's for sure. Alright, bye, Ems.
Sausage.
Oh, sausage is coming. You just don't forget a thing, do you? Dad's got some sausage cooking. You gotta see these berries. Best I've ever had. What? You want me to flip that sausage?
The eggs, please.
You want me to put what?
Boiled eggs?
There's no pot out.
Yeah.
Huh. Okay. Alright. Bye, Ems.